The last few months have almost been like a movie for e-commerce giant Snapdeal Flipkart and Japanese private equity investor Softbak. And the climax has been a bit of a nail-biter. But now that the founders of Snapdeal have decided to walk away from the proposed merger with Flipkart, the question is, what happens next? Here's a special report.
Come Independence Day, Snapdeal expects to be ready with its independent plan for the company. CNBC TV18 learns that Snapdeal's founders Kunal Behel and Rohit Bansal are working on the finishing touches and will unveil the details of Snapdeal 2.0 by mid-August. The plan is expected to entail a complete overhaul of its business model, and sources say this will be achieved through a four-pronged strategy. The first, Snapdeal will move out of non-profitable categories. This could include the business of expensive mobile phones, high-end electronics and branded merchandise. This will leave Snapdeal focusing on high-margin items like unbranded merchandise. Second, Snapdeal may let go of its discount strategy and start charging sellers for inventory. The third is the sale of its subsidiaries, Vulcan Express and Unicommerce.
The fourth and the most visible change will be at the employee level. Snapdeal is aiming at a massive cost reduction and may bring down employee count from 1,000 to just 200 to 300. In fact, sources tell us that Rohit Bansal has asked his business heads to prepare a structure for this. There might be a headcount reduction of about 70 to 80% by mid or end of August. Now, Snapdeal for over 1 year has been laying off employees, but this time it's going to be mid-level and senior management. The heart of the strategy seems to be to focus on niche areas and create an agile structure.
Such a rejig is bound to have casualties, and some of this pain is already being felt. CNBC TV18 learns that some employees at the senior management level who are unhappy with this direction have already begun handing in their resignations. This churn for now is concentrated around the company's product, tech and engineering verticals. Sources say that in the last 24 hours, 5 senior employees have resigned. This includes Pradeep Desai, the Vice President of Products, Virat Chatterjee, the Vice President Engineering, Gaurav Gupta, the Head of IT, Digvijay Ghosh, the Head of Snapdeal's FMCG business, and Rahul Jain, the Head of General Merchandise. Softbak, which owns a sizable stake in the e-commerce giant through Snapdeal's parent company Jasper Infotech, doesn't seem to be impressed with this plan B either. Sources say that as a result, Softbak may call off plans to invest more money in the company. What's more, it has learned to be readying to evaluate selling its stake in the company in bits and pieces.
Softbak is also not bothered about Snapdeal and Flipkart's breakup. We learned that it is still exploring the options to walk down the aisle with Flipkart by investing $1 billion in the company. Sources also tell us that the senior management of Softbak has cleared revising talks with Flipkart by independently investing into Flipkart by way of fresh issuance of shares or even by buying portion of Tiger Global's 34% stake in Flipkart.
Bureau Report, CNBC TV18.